Galaxy S10 vs P30 Pro, one of these phones just scored a huge victory. Galaxy S10 and the Huawei P30 Pro are two of the best Android devices on the market at the moment, and while both are incredibly capable, it appears one has just scored a huge victory over the other. Huawei P30 Pro is the newest of the two flagships, debuting in March as opposed to the S10 that was unwrapped in February. The duo share much in common, both have a display over 6 inches, place a heavy emphasis on their camera systems, and offer rapid performance across Google's Android operating system. One of the biggest differences between the Galaxy S10 and the P30 Pro is the fact the former comes in multiple models while the P30 Pro makes things very simple by only being available in a single variant. Samsung's Galaxy S10 line is comprised of the Galaxy S10e, standard Galaxy S10, S10 Plus and S10 5 Guaranis. Here is how the Galaxy S10 Plus and Huawei P30 Pro compare on paper. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Display: 6.4-inch AMOLED panel with the resolution of 1440x3040 and the density of 522 pixels per inch. Processor: either Samsung's own Exynos 9820 chipset or Qualcomm's Snapdragon 855 depending on the region sold. Battery capacity: 4,100 mAh. Rear camera system: 3 lenses comprised of a 12-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel telephoto module and a 16-megapixel wide-angle system. Huawei P30 Pro. Display: 6.47-inch OLED display with the resolution of 1080x2340 and the density of 398 pixels per inch. Processor: Huawei's own Kirin 980 chipset. Battery capacity: 4,200 mAh. Rear camera system: 4 lenses comprised of a 40-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel telephoto module and a 20-megapixel ultra-wide-angle snapper. Both the Galaxy S10 Plus and P30 Pro offer incredibly swift performance, as Express.co.uk noted in our reviews for both devices. However, it appears the South Korean flagship has the advantage in this regard, according to a new speed test conducted by PhoneBuff. PhoneBuff is an outlet renowned for conducting performance comparisons between different devices, in part because it uses a mechanical arm to launch a string of apps. Essentially, PhoneBuff's speed tests lay out a set of apps both devices will load and close. Once all the programs have been checked off, each piece of hardware is given the time in which they took to complete the exercise. The test is run more than once to ensure more accurate results. The outlet recently pitted the Galaxy S10 Plus and P30 Pro against each other and found the former was able to finish the test conducted around 7 seconds faster than Huawei's offering. While the P30 Pro did load some individual apps faster than the S10, it ultimately could not prevent the South Korean hardware from scoring a huge victory. It is worth noting the S10 Plus used in this particular test was powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 855 processor that is not present in UK models of the device. Instead, Britons are granted Samsung's own Exynos 9820 chipset, which was shown to be slightly slower than Qualcomm's offering in a separate test from PhoneBuff. This means performance differences between a UK S10 and a P30 Pro could produce a different result.